Welcome to the chemistry classroom. Before us, we have a compound that we are supposed to name. And whenever we are naming organic compounds, we must follow guidelines from IUPAC. First and foremost, let us first analyze the given compound and see if there are any outstanding functional groups. Well, there is an outstanding functional group, and that is the carbon-carbon double bond. So we can know, or we can tell, that our compound is an alkene. Now, what type of alkene? We shall know from the name. Now, according to IUPAC guidelines, is that we must first and foremost determine the parent chain. Now, this being a cyclic derivative of alkenes, the parent chain is that cyclic part. So, we can say the parent chain, or for that case, parent name, is to deal with cyclohexene. That is the parent name. The second guideline from this is that we number carbon atoms on our parent chain. But because we are having alkenes, we must make sure that the carbon-carbon double bond is between the first and the second position. So, without wasting time, this is going to be number 1. This is number 2. This is our carbon-carbon double bond. This is number 3. This is number 4. This is number 5. And that is number 6. So, after numbering, we are interested in position number 4. Why? Because we do have a substituent. Position number 3, we also have a substituent. Position number 2, and of course position number 1. Further information from this is that this one here we have learned before that it is generally known as tertiary butyl. Then this is simply known as ethyl. This one is secondary propyl, and finally this one is an ethyl group. At this point, we can now write down the name of our compound by respecting the alphabetical arrangement of the different groups, as on position 2 and position 4, there are 2 ethyl groups. So for that case, diethyl. And the secondary propyl is alphabetically superior to the tertiary butyl. So what follows is secondary propyl. And finally, on position 4, we do have our tertiary butyl group. At this point, we have written down all the 4 substituents in their respective alphabetical order. What is remaining is our parent name, which we obtained above as cyclohex. As simple as that. So I will highlight it or enclose it in blue ink for matters of emphasis. Do you have a challenging concept as regards organic chemistry? Please contact me by email using the email address in the description of this video, and I will humbly get back to you. Until next time, I remain yours truly, your chemistry teacher.